One very useful thing to know about a polynomial when graphing it is the zeros of a polynomial. So if we have a polynomial function, then we say c is a zero of that polynomial if p of c is equal to 0. All right, so it's just an input, an x value, that if you put into the function, your output will be 0. Now on the graph of the polynomial, that means these are the x-intercepts, okay? So we can talk about zeros in lots of different ways. Here we have a list of equivalent statements. They all mean the exact same thing. All right, so we've got just that c is a zero of p. That's the same thing as saying that x equals c is a solution of this equation p of x equals 0. So if we set a polynomial equal to 0, the solutions to that are called, of course, the zeros. That also means, and this is a little bit more powerful, is that x minus c is a factor of p of x, the polynomial. Okay, so in our factored form, when we see x minus c, we know that c is a 0. And then, as I already mentioned, in the graph, that means that c is an x-intercept of the graph of p.